Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use, disable or enable the zoom on iPhone. So if you have this on the screen and you don't know how to use it or how to exit from here, it is very easy. You have the zoom activated, and to exit you need to use three fingers and tap for 2 times on the screen like this, and you are out. And to enable it back again, tap for 2 times on the screen like this, and the zoom is back on your iPhone. Now to navigate, also use three fingers, touch the screen and move it like this. And to enter, tap once, and now you are in the settings area. To navigate, use three fingers, and to exit, tap for 2 times, and you are out. Now what happens if you tap for 3 times on the screen? Let's see it. So for 3 times, okay. And from here now you can increase or decrease the zoom. Also you can exit, just tap zoom out and you are out. Let's go again. So I will tap for 3 times. Okay. And now I will increase the zoom. Also here we have the option choose region. Now it's selected full screen zoom, but you can select window zoom. And here we have a window. You can choose resize lens. You can increase it or decrease it. Okay. And you can move the window here by putting your finger here on this little rectangle and move it. Okay. Now I will tap again for 3 times. Okay. And you can choose again full screen zoom, and you are back. What options we have here? We have choose filter, and you can select inverted and will look like this, or grayscale, grayscale inverted, or low light. Okay. Now I will select none. And the last option is show controller and hide controller. I don't know for sure what is this. Maybe if you know, just tell me in the comment area. Now I will exit, and now to exit that all from the zoom mode, just go to settings, and here go to accessibility. Here we have zoom. Now it's turned on. To turn off, just tap here and exit. And now if you tap for 2 or 3 times on the screen, as you can see, nothing happens. Okay. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.